There are those that dare to explore, to push beyond the boundaries of what is known, to disrupt the status quo, to take risks in order to shape the future. A future that is not defined by the way things have always been done. A future where the evidence of our humanity endures
2, 1,
beyond our planet.
and liftoff.
Flight control, countdown confirmed.
Satellite deployed.
Systems online.
We are engineering space exploration solutions, pioneering robotics manufacturing and assembly on orbit, because the future will be